Hello, my name is Vikram Saxena. I am a Chief Solutions Architect at NetScout, focusing on our virtualization strategy for major Tier 1 operators. So what I want to talk about today is why are operators interested in virtualization technologies like SDN and NFV? What actual benefits do they derive? How does it benefit their customers? And what is the role that NetScout plays in this whole migration to a virtualized software-centric architecture? So let's start first with primarily what are operators really trying to do by migrating to the software-centric platform. So there are three aspects of a service that the operators really focus on. The first is around application and making their applications agile. The ability to move applications around the network, be able to deliver them from a point in the network that is closest to the end user so they can optimize on latency is a very critical aspect of user experience. The second aspect of virtualization is around network elasticity. In order to control their CapEx, operators need the ability to scale their network capacity up and down dynamically in response to how the customers are delivering their traffic. The third aspect is the speed, the velocity at which services are created and delivered to their end customers. In this very dynamic world, the operator customers are demanding services that can be delivered just in time as and when their needs arise. And the responsiveness that the operators have to deliver is being challenged in this current environment. So the net of virtualization is the operators get the benefit of lowered CapEx and OpEx, the ability to respond to their customer needs in real time dynamically, and finally, because they control the software layer, they can provide differentiated services, which was not possible in a hardware-centric world because the services were programmed in the hardware. So this gives operators a very competitive edge in this new generation of changing user requirements and dynamic evolution of services. With that backdrop, let's talk about how NetScout actually helps operators in making this move to a software-centric architecture. So once the operators figured out how to virtualize the network, how to abstract their services, how to program the network with these services, and also to orchestrate the end-to-end service delivery, the major challenge then remains is how do you deliver the user experience at the same or higher level than in the networks of today? So this is where NetScout technology comes to help operators. And there are three major challenges. First of all, in a virtual world, because applications and network functions are delivered in virtual machines, we need to have visibility inside a virtual machine or inside a hypervisor so you can track traffic that is going between virtual machines on the same server. So the ability to not have black holes in your traffic monitoring between what is called east-west traffic and north-south traffic is something that NetScout is able to provide. The second aspect is to make sure that assurance in this world of migration from a physical infrastructure to a virtual infrastructure is seamless and disruption-free. So this is where NetScout provides the ability to seamlessly provide assurance across a physical and a virtualized infrastructure. The third and very important aspect is, as networks are becoming more dynamic and more agile, the service assurance solutions have to provide feedback into the orchestration layer. So if there is a potential impending problem in the network in terms of QoS or congestion or bandwidth, the orchestration layer can automatically reprogram the network based on the real-time conditions in the network. And this is where NetScout technology is able to plug in into orchestration platforms and provide this closed-loop feedback so the services can be delivered dynamically, real-time, just in time. Thank you.